Hey guys, welcome back to video number 2 of the cutting board build. We are now at the mini CNC where we're going to be cutting out the juice groove and also the name engraving. So I'm gonna flip it around here. We got a 5/8" bit for doing the juice groove, 90-degree V bit for doing some of the engraving. On here, we get that tightened in. Alright guys, once again, thanks for watching. That pretty much wraps it up. If there are any questions on the process of the CNC, more software stuff, definitely drop me a comment. Definitely be more than happy to help you guys out. Other than that, I have some more oiling of the other boards to do here, and I'll see you in the next video.